In this video, we're gonna go pick up the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue today, release day Saturday. I took a W on the Finish Line app. It's about time. I haven't won on Finish Line in a very long time, so I'm excited to go pick up the Racer Blue Air Jordan 3s. Make sure you guys stay tuned, watch this entire video. Let me know if you took a W or an L down below in the comments on the Racer Blue Air Jordan 3s today. Did you pick them up? Leave a comment down below, let me know. Also, be sure to smash that like button. If we can get this video a bunch of likes, I'm gonna announce a brand new Air Jordan 1 giveaway this week. So be sure to hit that thumbs up. Made it to the mall, walking to the mall, had to park a distance away because as you guys can see, the mall's packed. The mall's packed, there's cars everywhere. But we're gonna go pick up these Jordan 3s. I'm hyped to pick them up on release day. I haven't done a mall pickup video in a while. It's been a long time. Oh man, feels good to take a W though, especially on Finish Line of all places. Feels good, get some points, build up that rewards, and hopefully take more W's in the future. So let me know if you guys copped. If you did you pick them up locally? Did you cop online? Let me know. Yeah man, let's go into the mall. We are here at the Freehold Mall here in New Jersey. I'm wearing the 2012 Red 11s because my 2019 pair is still brand new dead stock, so keep them DS. I still have my 2012 pair that's still fresh. I still wear them, so keep rocking this pair and I'll save the 2019 pair for years to come. That's a sneaker that can drop every year and I'd cop it every year. It's my favorite shoe, so I'm good with Red 11s with 2012. Now, let's go pick up these 3s. Finish Line is to the right of me, I believe, right now. Foot Locker's in front. We're gonna go into Foot Locker maybe, and see if they still have them. See if they're sitting. I'm curious to see if they're sitting anywhere. Let's go to Foot Locker. Let's see if the 3s are sitting. Alright, so basically they told me that the 3s, they have plenty of pairs. People are still picking them up. You can't buy them yet. It's too early, which I knew already, but they're gonna have plenty of pairs. They said they'll have pairs. People are not really picking them up like that. People are picking them up, don't get me wrong, but not to what they, I guess, thought or whatever. I don't know. The point is they're gonna have leftover pairs. They're definitely gonna have some leftover pairs. So if you want the 3s, there should be some leftovers. Should be leftovers tomorrow, especially, but later on today as well. So that's dope to know. Anyway, let's go home, I guess, and we'll take a look more at the 3s. I mean, you guys have seen them here on the channel already, but on release day now. And if you're new to the channel, man, you gotta subscribe. You gotta subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, bro. You know, become a part of more family, another sneaker channel here on YouTube. Smash that like button too. I'm gonna announce a brand new giveaway for you guys very soon, so stay tuned for that. Let's go home from Finish Line. Let's go take a look at the 3s here on release day. Before we go home and take a look at the 3s, I'm actually going to go to my UPS box and go pick up a package. So, let's go pick up this package. If you guys want to send me anything to unbox on the channel, you don't have to, I'm not asking for it. But if you would like to, for any reason, it is down below in the description of every video. So let me put down this camera, I am driving, and let's go pick up this package.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, okay. That's nice. This is the lens that I usually have been filming my videos on. Now I'm using the vlogging lens. So let me know if you like the lens switch up, if you notice a difference in the quality. It is still 4K. Just let me know, less blurry of a background. Let me know if you like that. Anyway, let's get into this package that was sent over from Drip Grip. So Drip Grip is basically a sole protector for your sneakers. You put it on the bottom of your shoes, and they'll protect your sneakers and make them last longer and keep that resale value very high on your sneakers. So right here, they sent over a bunch. Stay tuned. I'm going to be putting these to the test and showing you guys how awesome Drip Grip truly is. This video is not sponsored. They're not paying me to say this. They just send over the product, and they gave me a discount code for the more family members to use. So I'll leave their link down below in the description, and make sure you guys use my discount code Danny10. It'll save you a little bit of money from your order from Drip Grip. Check them out, sole protectors for the bottom of your sneakers. They're supposed to be very, very good. I'll be the judge of that and give you guys my honest opinion of this product, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Now, let's open up this bag from Finish Line, and let's take a look at today's brand new release, the Jordan 3 Racer Blue. I did pick up a pair, size 11, my size. Let's take a look at this sneaker once more. Woo, there they are. Personally, I'm gonna be honest, I'm still not a fan. I'm not a fan for a few reasons. First of all, it's gotta be the elephant print. I know it's 3M. I know in my last video I forgot to mention it. I did know that they were 3M. I just didn't mention it. That's why the gray is there. It's not jet black. It is black with a little bit of gray. They are basically the reverse of the Fire Red 3s. However, they switched up the elephant print, made it with the gray, which I don't like. I still do not like this sneaker because of the switch up of the elephant print. I wish it was all jet black, just like the Fire Red 3s. To be honest though, I'm not a huge fan of when Jordan Brand takes an OG colorway and then gives us the reverse colorway or the alternative colorway. I'm not a huge fan of it a lot of the times. It depends. Most of the time, it's cool. It's nothing not to like, but it's just not a must. It's not a must-have. There's so many sneaker releases, so I'm picky, very picky about what I personally want to keep in my collection and rock on my feet. This is an easy pass for me. They are very clean, so if you did pick them up today, I'm not mad at you. Trust me, they're clean. I think they're very wearable, and they're going to look dope on feet. Be sure to let me know down below in the comments if you guys picked up the Jordan 3 Racer Blue today on release day. Resale is not doing too hot. They're not going to do too hot. These will drop in price more so when pairs do come in next week. Guys, this is going to be a brick of a sneaker for quite a bit. I do see them eventually going up like most Jordans do, but not one you're going to want to really hold on to. This is more of like, let them go and move on to the next release type of shoe. Anyway, for personal though, they're clean. I'm not mad at the blue. I really like the colorway. Just the elephant print, for me, killing it for me, man. And like I said, I'd rather have the Fire Red Air Jordan 3s, which I don't have. I do have the True Blues, which I'm good. True Blues, straight fire. I do need, of course, the Fire Red 3s, white cements. I have black cements. I do need a few of the OG Air Jordan 3s before I would consider keeping anything like this. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you guys like the vlog style type of video or me just sitting down here. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. It will help me out and give you guys better content. So please be sure to let me know down below what you guys think about the vlog style content. Be sure to check out Drip Grip. Once again, link down below. Use my discount code Danny10. Save you a little bit of money from Drip Grip. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let me know if you guys picked up this Jordan 3 today on release day Saturday. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.